Hello students, welcome to Sanjeevani Electronics LMS. I am Professor Shailesh Kulkarni. I am going to show you how to log into Sanjeevani Electronics LMS as well as how to access the contents provided by the individual subject faculty. First of all, we need to click on this icon, Google Chrome. Either you can click on Google Chrome, or if you have Mozilla Firefox or Internet Explorer, still it is okay. So I am opening a browser. Next step is I need to type the URL. So the URL for our Sanjeevani LMS is 18.235.169.74/LMS. Once you type this URL, then hit enter key. Then you will get this screen. This is our home page of Sanjeevani Group of Institutes. So there are different courses like engineering, political and pharmacy and so on. So in engineering section, you will find electronics engineering. So click on electronics engineering. After that, you will be directed to our department homepage. Okay. So these are the different courses available. So we have created year-wise courses like FY BTech, then SY BTech, then T and B. Now, before that, you need to click on the login. So you have been provided with the username and password. So click on login here. Enter your username and password. For example, your username, my username is right. The first character of password is capital. So make a note that always your password should start with a capital letter and other characters are in lowercase. So I am entering first character as a capital. Once I enter username and password, then I will say login. So I will get this. Okay. So on the left hand side, you will find different options like dashboard, site home, calendar, and below my courses you will find a different subject name. These are the subject names. If I click on site home, again you will be redirected to the previous page. Okay. So I will click on SY BTech. So in SY BTech, these are different courses, or these are different subjects. Okay. Now, before we actually see the contents of individual subject, you need to update your profile. So for that procedure is go to the top right corner. In front of your username, that is in my case it is student R75, there is icon. Click here and click on profile and say edit profile. Here you need to change only your first name and surname. So don't change the other settings. For example, my name is Shailesh. So I will type first name and surname is Kulkarni. So I type my name and surname. So other settings are intact. So I am not making any changes to the other settings. Okay. And then click on update profile. So here you will find my name. Okay. Earlier it was student R75. Okay. Now go to the site home. Okay. In SY BTech, different courses. So for example, I want to access the contents of one of the subject called as, let's say, network theory. Okay, so I will click here on network theory, right? So here I will get the course examination scheme. That is, we are having 30 marks for in-sem exam, 50 marks for end-sem exam, and other details, and course objectives, the course outcomes, list of textbooks and reference book. Now here you will find the contents of unit 1. So name of the first unit is basics of networks, right? So if I click on any of the link here, so the video which is posted by the individual faculty will be played. For example, I will click here. So once I click here, you will find this video is played.
The subject is network theory. Course code for the subject is
UT203. You can access the contents of
it has
each and every unit. Okay. Likewise for unit 2 also. If you want to go for some other subject, simply you need to click on that subject name. For example, I want to go for DE, so I will click here, right? And again the information which is uploaded by the faculty, you can access that. So along with video lectures, there are some PDFs and some PPTs also, that also you can access. Okay. One more thing is, while login, make a note that always the password has to be start with the first letter as a capital. Okay. Now when you go to the course contents actually, so here you will find announcement. Okay, In announcement section, you can see the announcements made by the subject faculty. Okay, so as of now there are no announcements, but you can see the announcement made by your faculties. Okay, so make a habit that every time you are logging, you should check the announcement section. Okay, so I hope that the process of login as well as the how to access the contents provided by the individual faculty is clear to you. Okay, so with this I'll stop here. Thank you.